In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a decorative border to a page in LibreOffice Writer. This is a fantastic way to enhance your documents, whether you're creating invitations, brochures, or just want to give your work a customized touch. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily add these stylish borders to your pages. First, we're going to begin by opening up LibreOffice Writer. If you're at the Start Center, you'll see an option to click on Writer Document. Simply click on it, and this will open a new document for us to work with. Once you have your document open, the next thing we need to do is locate the page style settings. These settings help us modify the appearance of our page, including adding borders. To find the page style settings, look at the top menu in LibreOffice Writer. You'll see a section titled Format. Go ahead and click on that. Under this menu, locate and select Page Style. Keep in mind, depending on the version of LibreOffice you're using, it might just say Page. Either way, it's leading us to the right place. Clicking Page Style brings up a dialog box that contains various tabs. What you're interested in is the tab labeled Borders. Go ahead and click on the Borders tab. This area is where all the magic happens as we prepare to select and customize our borders. Now that you're in the Borders tab, it's time to choose how your border will look. Under the section labeled Line Arrangement, you can decide where you want your border to appear. Do you want it on all sides of the page, or perhaps only at the top? The choice is yours, and you can see how each option alters the look of your page. Next, move on to the Style section. Here, you'll find options for the type of line you'd like to use, whether you prefer a solid line or perhaps something with a bit more flair like dotted or dashed lines. After selecting the line style, let's add a splash of color. Under the color option, you can choose the perfect color that suits your document's theme. A vibrant color can really make the border stand out, while a subtle tone might suit a more formal document. Before we apply our border, there's one more adjustment you might consider. Look at the Spacing to Contents option, which lets you create a buffer space between the border and the text inside. This is a helpful feature, especially if you want your text to breathe and not feel cramped against the border. With all your choices made, it's time to click OK. Voila! Now, your page should feature a stylish border, adding that extra visual touch, and with that, you've successfully enhanced your document. Remember, the steps we've gone over are simple to follow, so feel free to experiment with different border styles and colors to find the perfect fit for your project.